today's video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a wonderful treat. I'm giving you 2 recipes in one. Now, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy facial treatment that you can use on your skin to lighten, brighten, and also to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin while moisturizing the skin. The second remedy is going to tighten the skin, it's going to firm the skin, it's going to get rid of open pores, it's going to just clean the pores out, leaving your skin just radiant. So if you're interested in today's video, continue on. So take a look at what I have here, and this is a aloe vera leaf, and I'm going to be using the gel from this leaf. Extracting the gel from the aloe vera leaf is pretty easy, which I'm going to show you right now. Now, aloe vera gel is filled with a lot of nutrients and minerals that are great for the skin. It helps to get rid of sunburn, it helps to clear dark spots and blemishes. It is also very moisturizing. So I'm just going to cut a small piece of the aloe vera, probably about an ounce or so. Now, to extract our aloe vera gel, I'm just going to take a knife and cut on the side like this. You just cut both sides, and look, you can see the aloe vera gel inside, and we're just going to use the knife and go right under the leaf. Take out the outer peel, and look at that. We're going to do the same to the bottom. Just go right under, as I'm showing here. And here you have your aloe vera gel. Our next ingredient is lemon, and today I'm going to use both the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is great for brightening and lightening the skin. If you're looking for clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin, just use some lemon zest and lemon peel. Today I'm going to add the aloe vera gel to the lemon and the lemon zest, and I'm going to create this wonderful facial for you. This is definitely going to lighten and brighten the skin while moisturizing the skin. Now, if you have large pores, open pores, this is going to help tremendously. It's going to shrink those pores, and guess what? I'm going to add a third ingredient as an optional ingredient to this that is further going to help to tighten and firm the skin. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zest the lemon. And to zest the lemon is pretty easy. You're going to wash your lemon thoroughly. You can choose to wash your lemon in some vinegar. Just soak it in some vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off, and your lemon is good to go. To zest, just rub the lemon. Do not go too deep. And here we have our lemon zest. Next, we're just going to cut our lemon and we're going to extract the juice. And we're going to use only about half of this lemon, okay? So now here we have our aloe vera gel, we have our lemon zest, and we also have our lemon juice. So next I'm going to move on to some blending. So the first thing I'm going to do with the aloe vera gel, I'm going to be blending it. So I'm just going to put it in the blender, and along with our aloe gel, I'm also going to put the lemon zest in the blender, and this is about a teaspoon of lemon zest. If you do not have lemon, don't be afraid to use your lime, okay? So here we have our aloe vera gel and the lemon zest, and now we're going to blend this together. And this is your blended lemon zest and aloe vera gel. We're going to pour this in a bowl. Next, we're going to reach for our lemon. You're going to make sure to remove the lemon seeds. Now we're going to squeeze about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Pour this in, discard the seeds, and then we're going to mix this together. And now our treatment is ready. For scrub number 2, I'm going to be using a brightening, tightening, and firming ingredient, and this is rice. Now I'm using white rice today. However, you can choose to use black rice or even some purple rice for this recipe. Now rice is amazing for the skin since it helps to get rid of spots and blemishes. It helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to smooth the skin. It is also good to smooth sunburn, and it's great for eczema. Rice helps to lighten and brighten the skin, and it can also be used as a facial toner since it hydrates the skin. Really an amazing ingredient to use on your skin. Now to prepare this rice, we will have to blend, and I'm going to blend it to a powder. So place your rice, about 2 tablespoons of the rice, in the blender and blend. Now after blending, take a look at this. This is the rice blended to a powder. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the blended rice. You can choose to double up on the ingredient. And what we're going to do next, we are going to use our lemon aloe vera mix as the liquid for this facial scrub. And we're going to pour about 1 tablespoon of the mix with the rice, and we are going to blend. Now there are other ingredients that you can choose to add to this facial scrub. You can choose to use a teaspoon of olive oil or a teaspoon of coconut oil, even some almond oil. You can also choose to use a little bit of a rose water in this facial scrub. So just blend together, blend well, and now your scrub number 2 is ready. Guys, here I have 2 amazing brightening facial scrub for you. For scrub number 1, I'm going to be using the lemon for the application, and for scrub number 2, we're just going to use our hands to apply. Now you can choose to use scrub number 2 when you have a little bit more time, since you can also double as a facial mask. Now when it comes on to scrub number 1, that is a very good one to use when you are short on time. Both of these scrub can be stored in the refrigerator. Now for scrub number 1, you can choose to use other ingredient with it, such as some brown sugar. You can even choose to use some blended almond. Just make it your own. So now I'm going to move on the other side, and I'm going to show you how to use both scrubs on your skin for best result. Please remember that you are using 1 scrub at a time. Now here we have our exfoliating liquid, and to apply this to the skin, we're going to use our lemon. Now this is pretty easy to use. You're going to dip the lemon in, and you're just going to use it to exfoliate the skin. Soak it up. Make sure to give it a mix, because you want to make sure to soak up the aloe vera gel also. And then you're going to just exfoliate the face. Now after exfoliating the skin, you want to rinse this off. Then you're going to pat dry. You're going to apply your favorite facial toner, your favorite facial serum, or your favorite moisturizer. Now I'm going to move on to facial scrub number 2. And I'm going to dig in, give it a little stir. I'm using my hands to do this. And then you're just going to use it to exfoliate the skin. Circular motion, just like you use the lemon. So just exfoliate. Now once you finish exfoliating with number 2, you can choose to leave it on the skin for about 10 minutes or so, or you could choose to rinse it off right away. Rinse off with room temperature water, and then you're going to pat dry. Use your favorite facial toner, your favorite facial serum, and your favorite moisturizer. Choose to layer, or you can use them individually, okay? Now whichever one of these you're using, use it 2 to 3 times per week for best result. You can also choose to use this one today and this one like 2 days after. You could interchange them if you want. So just play around with this, have fun, and guess what? Once you continue to use these on a regular, you're on your way to bright, clear, young, fresh, radiant, glowing skin. Okay?